Hello everyone, in this video let's see how to create Outlook signature in the web application. So I previously created one video on how to create signatures for the Outlook application. So in this video we'll see how to do the same in web. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need some browser to open the Outlook, right? So I'm using Edge. And if you are having a enterprise version, you would have different URL here. So outlook.office.com. Whereas it is a free version with a Microsoft account, then you will get outlook.live.com. So that's the difference. And once you open this URL, you can see the settings icon here, which is a gear icon. Click on that and click on view all Outlook settings. So you can click on this and it will pop out all the settings that are required for Outlook. And make sure you are on the mail option here selected, and then go to compose and reply option. Click on that and you can see the email signature panel with all the details here. We need to name the signature. Let's say my first signature, and here you can put maybe picture, or you can style in your own way, whatever you want. Okay, for now I'm just putting some image like this, and you can also resize and put whatever you want. And most of the time I use best regard. So this is my initial signature for new messages. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, I will try to explain. Okay, let's rename it as my first. Oh, sorry, you only have my first signature, right? Or we'll name it as my signature one. Just save it. If you scroll down a bit, you can see for new messages and for reply or forward. So what does the difference here is, for new messages, you can put whatever you want, like the big statement, what roles and responsibilities you are, whether you are working in so and so company, like I'm working in some MNC company, and you can put all the details, everything here. But whereas coming to the replies or forwards, if you might already mention the same signature in your mail, so every time you send a mail, no need to mention all this long introduction or your signature. So for that, we'll need to put a small signature. So for that also, we'll create one more signature. So my signature 2. Okay. And for this, I go with short form, like best regards, Isaitija. And I will put, okay, I need to save, and then you can use the signature too. Okay, that makes sense, right? So the first signature should be like, you can put all the details and all if it is a new mail. And for replies and forwards, you don't need to put all the same signature with lengthy introduction or contact details in the same mail. So that's how we make signatures here, and click on save. And now we'll see by creating a new message. So once you click on that, see, you can see that it is automatically populated here. So you just need to type your mail and click on send. And whereas coming to forward mails, let's see, we'll discard it. And if you try to forward, you can see the signature as the short signature, which I generally use for forward or reply. That's it, guys. I hope this helped you, and if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and share, and you can also mention your request in the comments so that I can come up with the new videos. Thanks for watching.